what you were messing with, Jason.
Chemical compound unknown.
What? Who are these kids? Who are they?
Potential recruits.
How can you even think this is a good idea? You want to do to them what you did to me? Turn them into a sidearm? A weapon? Fuck them up in the head, or even worse, get them killed like Jason? Do you know what this is?
No.
It's an unidentified chemical. A drug Jason was manufacturing, or trying to.
What?
He had a loft in Gotham. Did you know that? Probably not, no. A lab. So I'm guessing this is what pushed him over the edge, what sent him out there to get his fucking skull bashed in.
Oh, I didn't know.
You didn't know because you don't care. It doesn't matter to you. You were already looking for a fucking replacement.
You want to be Robin again?
I want to be fucking Robin again. No, I don't want to fucking be Robin again. You know, Barb was right. You're just as bad as the Joker. You and he have been poisoning this city together.
Dick, please. I can't do this alone.
Then don't do it anymore, Bruce.